to see NFTs you bought or NFTs you have in Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your NFTs that you have bought or that you have on Trust Wallet in easy fast way. So first thing you do is we go to Trust Wallet, and as you can see this is the home page. Now this, if you want to find your NFTs, you have just to click here on NFTs, not tokens, and after you click on NFTs you will find the NFTs that you have here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much.